A recipe that I used to live on when I was a uni student because it was tasty, cheap, and healthy was okonomiyaki, which is a vegetable-style Japanese pancake. And I'm gonna show you how easy it is to make it at home. This is a great recipe because it uses some basic pantry ingredients, as well as some of nature's superfoods. So I've got some white cabbage here, which I've finely sliced and diced up, about half a carrot, a little bit of grated ginger, about a tablespoon, and some finely chopped spring onions. Now this pancake is great because you can add whatever you really like in it. You know, you could put in some leftover roast chicken, even some bacon, mushrooms, cheese. List is endless, but this is just a basic one that I like to whip up. So give the veggies a good mix and also add in a good few pinches of sea salt. Give the veggies a good mix. I'm also gonna make a basic pancake batter. This is a little bit thicker than your usual pancake mix. I've got a cup of plain flour, about half a cup to 3/4 of a cup of water. I've got 2 eggs. Now that I've added in the 2 eggs, I'm gonna swap over to a whisk. Give the batter a good whisk until it's nice and smooth. Now I've got a little secret ingredient that I love to add into this batter, and it's a dashi powder. And they just add that real authentic Japanese flavor. If you don't have this, you could also add a little bit of vegetable stock or chicken stock powder into this as well, just to amp up the flavor. I'm gonna stir that in. So this batter can now be mixed in with our veggies. Give that mixture a good stir. Okay, that's come together really nicely. You can see that it's a nice thick batter, but it does slide off the spoon, which is what we want. Pop your pan onto medium to low heat. We want these pancakes to cook slowly, so we don't want to burn them. I've got a little bit of sunflower oil here in my pan. Once your pan's nice and warm, a few ladlefuls of pancake mix in the center of the pan. So I'm gonna let this cook for about 5 minutes before flipping it, and then I'm gonna put a lid on the fry pan as well and let it steam a little. All right, this is smelling delicious. It's looking crispy and golden. Both sides look perfectly cooked. I'm gonna pop this straight onto my serving plate because you do want to eat this while it's nice and warm. I've got a few different condiments. This is an okonomiyaki sauce. You can find it in an Asian grocer. Otherwise, you can make your own using some ingredients you probably have in your pantry: tomato sauce, Worcestershire sauce, and light soy sauce. Check out my recipe. You just want to drizzle the sauce over the pancake. And then you can't go past Kewpie mayonnaise if you don't have it in your pantry already. You must get it. It is absolutely necessary, especially for this recipe. Drizzle over your Kewpie, and then I like to serve this with some extra spring onions. I just love this recipe because you can feed your family with cheap ingredients, you can make it meat-free, and it's a little taste of Japan in your home.